Hello, this is Stefan Dykes. In this video, I will walk you through the new user features of the 12.6 software release of Axis Body-worn system. Once again, customer feedback has inspired new features designed to streamline and simplify the body-worn solution. In this release, we have several new features related to our Axis-hosted Body-worn Live solution and our latest release of the mobile app Body-worn Assistant. This incorporates new features as well as additional settings in Body-worn Manager. I will demonstrate the major new features and functions in this short video. Access Body-worn Live in your mobile phone, track undocked cameras, start live stream remotely, and automatically reconnect cameras to the system. Access Body-worn Live in your mobile phone. The updated mobile app Axis Body-worn Assistant expands with Axis Body-worn Live. It means you can view live streams and GPS positions from body-worn cameras in your organization. You can get notifications when team members start live streams and view their live positions directly in the app. To set up and use Axis Body-worn Live in Axis Body-worn Assistant, there's a few steps that I will walk you through to get started. To view camera users in the map view, you must turn on location. In Axis Body-worn Manager, go to Camera Profiles. Select the camera profile that you enable live streaming for. For each camera model, turn on location. Select a mode. While recording or streaming, shows the position of cameras that are currently recording or streaming. Always shows the position of cameras that are undocked. In Axis Body-worn Manager, go to Add-on Services, Axis Body-worn Live, Mobile Device. Here you find the QR code to access the service. You can download and share the QR code through, for example, an email. If you're not already downloaded Axis Body-worn Assistant, do so to get the latest updates in introduction to all new features. In the app, tap Axis Body-worn Live. Tap Activate Axis Body-worn Live. Use your mobile device to scan the QR code from Axis Body-worn Manager. To get notifications when team members start a live stream, you simply accept notification. To watch a live stream, go to Wearers, Streaming and tap the camera user whose live stream you want to view. To let the camera user know that you have opened their live stream, click on the Acknowledge Stream icon. A single beep notifies the wearer. You see the location of cameras on the map and can start or stop following the camera user's movements on the map. This expansion empowers organizations with greater situational awareness and faster response. By combining live video and location data in the app, teams can make better informed decisions, improve safety and strengthen coordination in the field. Track undocked cameras. In Axis Body-worn Live, you can now view the geographical position of any undocked camera, even if it's not actively streaming video. This feature requires that the camera has GPS and is connected via Wi-Fi or LTE, preferably the W120 camera. To activate it, you must enable location in Axis Body-worn Manager. In Axis Body-worn Manager, under Camera Profiles, make sure you have location set to Always to show the positions of cameras that are undocked. In Body-worn Live, you now see the positions of undocked cameras even though they are not actively streaming. Having access to a camera's location, even when it's not streaming, gives supervisors continuous awareness of team deployment and safety. Start live streams remotely. In Axis Body-worn Live, you can now start a live stream remotely by simply clicking Start New Stream on the camera user. To start a live stream from Axis Body-worn Live, remote stream activation must be turned on. In Axis Body-worn Manager, go to Camera Profiles and select a profile. Under Axis Body-worn Live, turn on Streaming. To allow operators to start live streaming remotely, turn on Remote Stream Activation. Select a mode. While recording makes it possible for operators to start live streams when the camera records. Always makes it possible for operators to start live streams as soon as the camera is undocked. In Body-worn Live, the feature is now enabled and the camera wearer will get a 3-beep notification that the stream has started. The ability to remotely trigger a live stream adds another layer of security, ensuring that critical video evidence can be captured instantly without relying on the wearer to start a live stream. Automatically reconnect cameras to the system. You can now configure the system so that all cameras that enter safe mode automatically reconnect to the body-worn system. Go to the Settings tab in Body-worn Manager. Under the Camera tab, you turn on and off the setting by entering the Super Admin passphrase. When cameras are docked too infrequently, they can end up in safe mode and require time-consuming and costly manual rescues. We now implement an automatic camera rescue to eliminate the need for manual intervention. As always, don't forget to dock your camera for new settings to be applied. I hope you found the new features and this video useful. Thank you for watching.